Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best smart mirror dash cams in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best smart mirror dash cams in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera. Upgrade your driving safety and visibility with the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam. This advanced dual camera system delivers crystal clear 4K UHD front and 1080p rear video, capturing every detail on the road. The ultra-wide 12-inch smart Rearview mirror seamlessly combines your regular mirror with a high-definition touchscreen display for real-time monitoring and playback. Equipped with powerful 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the G840S ensures fast, stable connections for easy video downloads and sharing via the dedicated app. With super night vision and HDR technology, both front and rear cameras perform exceptionally in low light and nighttime conditions, giving you peace of mind 24/7. The G840S features smart functions like parking monitoring, loop recording, and G-sensor collision detection, automatically saving footage during sudden impacts. Designed for cars, SUVs, and trucks, it installs easily over your existing rear-view mirror, maintaining a factory look while adding powerful protection. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or managing a fleet, the Wolfbox G840S offers unmatched clarity, smart features, and reliability to keep you safer on every journey. Number 2. Experience next-level driving safety and convenience with the Wolfbox G850 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror camera. This advanced smart mirror dash cam delivers ultra-clear 4K front recording and 1080p rear video, ensuring every detail is captured day or night. Its large 12-inch IPS touchscreen offers a wide, real-time view, replacing your traditional mirror with a dynamic display for safer lane changes and parking. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the G850 allows for ultra-fast video downloads and seamless app connectivity, while built-in voice control gives you hands-free access to key features like video locking, screen on-off, and more, keeping your focus on the road. The high-quality backup camera automatically activates when reversing, making parking easier and safer. With enhanced night vision, loop recording, and G-sensor collision detection, your journeys are protected from every angle. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the Wolfbox G850 is your intelligent co-pilot. Easy to install and built to last, this mirror dash cam redefines your driving experience with innovation, clarity, and control. Number 3. Experience enhanced road safety and crystal clear recording with a Wolfbox 12-foot mirror dash cam. This sleek rear-view mirror camera features a stunning 2.5K front camera and a 1080p waterproof backup camera, ensuring high-definition footage from both directions. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly review, download, and share videos via the Wolfbox app. No cables or card readers needed. The large 12-inch touchscreen offers intuitive controls and a wide viewing angle, helping you see more of the road behind. It supports loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and parking monitoring, giving you round-the-clock protection and peace of mind. The included 32GB SD card lets you get started right out of the box, with support for expandable storage. Installation is easy. Just strap it over your existing rear-view mirror. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or navigating busy streets, the Wolfbox Mirror Dash Cam delivers unmatched performance, clarity, and convenience. Drive smarter and safer with this all-in-one dash cam system that redefines rear-view mirror functionality. Number 4. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Smart driving assistant with ADAS and BSD. Upgrade your driving experience with the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a premium rear-view mirror camera packed with cutting-edge features. Featuring a 12-inch touchscreen display, it delivers crystal-clear real-time footage with a 2160p 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring every detail is captured, day or night. This smart dash cam offers advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS and blind spot detection, BSD, to enhance road safety, alerting you to lane departures and nearby vehicles. With voice control, you can operate key functions hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. The P12 Pro supports loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, parking monitoring, and GPS tracking, ideal for everyday drivers, rideshare professionals, and long-distance travelers. Its sleek mirror design blends seamlessly with your vehicle's interior while upgrading your car's tech. Reliable, intuitive, and built for safety, the Pelsee P12 Pro is your ultimate driving companion. Experience smarter, safer driving today with this all-in-one Rearview mirror dash cam system. Number 5. Experience the ultimate in driving safety and convenience with the REDTIGER T700 Rearview mirror camera. This advanced 11-foot mirror dash cam offers 4K UHD resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear, delivering ultra-clear video footage for maximum road awareness. Its sleek mirror design seamlessly integrates with your vehicle, replacing your standard rear-view mirror with a high-tech, touchscreen interface. The T700 features built-in GPS for accurate route tracking and speed logging, making it easy to review your journeys. With superior night vision, you'll capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. The smart reverse system activates automatically when you back up, displaying real-time parking guidelines to help you park safely and accurately. Equipped with a parking monitor, the T700 provides 24/7 surveillance, detecting motion or impacts even when the vehicle is off. Whether you're on a road trip or navigating city traffic, the REDTIGER T700 ensures you're always protected with reliable, crystal-clear video. Upgrade your driving experience with this intelligent, all-in-one dash cam solution.